Are you looking for how to insert delta symbol in Excel? Then keep watching. For the uppercase delta symbol, you need to hold the Alt key and on the numeric side keypad press 30 and release the Alt key. And you will see a solid triangle uppercase delta symbol. So for the lowercase delta symbol, you need to hold the Alt key and type 235 on the numeric side keypad and release the Alt key. So in another way, click on the insert and go to the symbols and click on the symbols, and in the subset you need to select the Greek and Coptic, and in the character code you need to type 0394 and then your cursor will automatically move to the delta symbol. Click insert and type another code 03B4 and your cursor will automatically move to the delta symbol. Click insert, close, and here you can see that. So moreover, you can also insert the uppercase delta symbol by using the UNICHAR formula. So for this you need to put the equal sign, type UNICHAR, open the bracket, type 916 and close the bracket, hit enter, and here you can see that. For the lowercase delta symbol you need to put the equal sign, type UNICHAR, open the bracket and type 948 and close the bracket, hit enter, and here it is. So for the mathematical delta you need to put the equal sign, type UNICHAR and open the bracket, type 8710, close the bracket and hit enter. And this is the mathematical delta symbol. So with this way you can easily insert delta symbol in Excel. If you think this video is helpful, please support my channel. Thanks for watching.